Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have nice conditions out there this morning compared to yesterday. Yesterday we did have active weather across the region, but today we will not have any chances of lightning or precipitation, just some partly to mostly cloudy skies and slightly cooler temperatures more towards seasonable levels. Across the region the last 24 hours, yesterday we did see temperatures well above normal, should be in the mid upper 40s across the region for highs. We saw highs anywhere from the lower to mid 70s, and other locations away from the tidewater saw temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Here at Wallops and also along the coastline, Ocean City were the cool spots. Ocean City at 58 degrees, here at Wallops here 63, while as I mentioned those locations in the tidewater did see temperatures in the 70s. Norfolk at 74 degrees, that was the warm spot yesterday. Did have that cold front move through yesterday evening, allow for our temperatures to fall fairly rapidly last night, seeing temperatures falling down to 33 degrees at Pax River. That was the cool spot. Here at Wallops we were at 35. Other locations where the wind did stay up just a bit last night saw temperatures in the 40s. Precipitation across the region the last 24 hours. Some locations did see quite a bit of precipitation. Ocean City was the big winner at 1.88 inches of precip. Here at Wallops we saw 0.95 inches of rainfall yesterday. Most of the rainfall yesterday was associated with the convective activity that was along the south and eastern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula, and those locations did see anywhere from about 3/4 to an inch of rainfall in general. Some locations, such as Ocean City, did see more rainfall than an inch. As of 9 a.m. this morning, we are seeing anywhere from temperatures in the lower 40s to the mid 40s. Here at Wallops, we saw 45 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Our sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 3,400 feet. Winds out of the northwest and low levels about 25 to 30 knots. Move up in the mid-level, seeing winds out of the west 35 to 60 knots. So quite an increase from 9,000 to 16,000 feet this morning. And move up in the upper levels this morning. We have a jet streak across the region, seeing a westerly wind at 25,000 feet at 126 knots. Our surface observations from this morning with our infrared satellite overlaid on those observations. We have a band of mid-level cloudiness starting to move over the Wallops region, also a band of thicker and more dense mid-level cloudiness across the northern and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region that should try to move through our region for this afternoon, giving us periods of mostly cloudy conditions. Temperatures are rising nicely here at Wallops, already 47 degrees as of briefing time. You're going to see those temperatures move into the lower 50s possibly, especially across the inland portions of the Delmarva Peninsula today. Here at Wallops we're seeing a high near 50 degrees. Our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have that area low pressure that provided us with the cold front that moved through the region yesterday well to the northeast of our area. We have a weak trough that's currently across the Appalachian Mountains that's going to be moving through our region for this evening. That's going to provide us with that increase of cloudiness and even a slight chance of a sprinkle or a flurry as we get into the late evening hours. Looking at that chance, less than 10%. But with that trough overhead, could be seeing a brief sprinkle or flurry, especially across the southern portions of the eastern shore of Virginia. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, this is our Wednesday PM planner. We'll have, as I mentioned, that trough moving through. That's really going to allow for the colder air to move into the region for our Thursday. Our Thursday AM planner will have high pressure building in from the west. That's going to allow for our temperatures tonight to drop in the 20s. And then for our Thursday afternoon, won't be seeing much recovery from those 20s, only seeing highs in the lower 40s. So we'll feel like winter once again on our Thursday afternoon. And then for our Friday, we'll have a cold start to the day, but high pressure moving off the coast will allow for a return flow or a south to southwesterly surface wind across the region. That'll give us warming temperatures into the upper 40s across the Mid-Atlantic region. Even some locations could see 50. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board, no chances of precipitation or lightning as I mentioned, and our winds will stay well below that 25 knot criteria. High around 50 degrees today here at Wallops. We see partly to mostly cloudy conditions, and then tonight we'll see a low of 29 degrees. We'll see winds increasing tomorrow morning out of the northwest with some weak cold air advection or colder air just moving in the region with a northwest wind at 8 to 13 knots, possibly gusting up to 19 knots by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we currently do have a ceiling at 7,000 feet with a broken deck, and also a broken deck at 25,000 feet. Likely scenario between now and 1400 local that we do not see any ceilings, with just a scatter deck at 7,000 feet, a scatter deck at 25,000 feet. By this afternoon and the evening hours, we'll increase our mid and upper level cloudiness across the region, especially towards the 2300 local time period. We'll see a ceiling at 4,000 feet with a broken deck at 6,000 feet, and also a broken deck at 15,000 feet. Well, with that increase of mid and upper level cloudiness across the region during that time period between 2300 local and also Thursday at 2 local, could be seeing that sprinkle or flurry, a less than 10% chance it didn't make the TAF here. And then for our Thursday morning at 8 o'clock, we'll see a few clouds at 3,000 feet with mostly sunny skies. Our tides are currently normal, looking to Thursday into Friday. Thursday mostly cloudy to, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Slightly breezy during the morning, a high of 41 degrees, so colder on Thursday. Thursday night we'll see mostly clear skies, seasonable temperatures for this time of year, a low of 25 degrees. We'll have lighter winds across the region, and that'll allow for those temperatures to dip down into the mid-20s. And then on Friday, we'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, slightly warmer temperatures with that southerly wind, high of 48 degrees, and a green chart for both Thursday and Friday. Again, the next 7 days we'll have fairly nice conditions today overall, 50 degrees, low of 29 tonight. And then for Thursday and Friday we'll see temperatures in the 40s for highs, so slightly cooler. And Saturday we'll see a big warm-up compared to what we'll be seeing at the end of the work week, high of 56 degrees, mostly cloudy conditions during the afternoon. We'll see partly cloudy to mostly sunny in the morning, so hopefully a fairly decent morning for Saturday. And we'll see some rain chances introduced into our weather for Sunday, as we'll have a cold front moving through, and that'll give us those chances of rain showers. Right now the models are indicating that system is going to stay fairly disorganized on Sunday. A possibility that it does intensify a bit more than the models are showing right now, and if that does occur, we could be seeing once again some more convective activity in the area with some possibility of thunderstorms. Right now that does look unlikely with just a chance of rainfall. And then Monday and Tuesday we'll see a cooling trend to our temperatures, high on Monday of 48, and then Tuesday only a high of 40 with an upper level trough overhead. Models are diverging on Tuesday whether we have more cloudiness in the region or just seeing sunny skies right now. Looks like we should see partly cloudy skies with those highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. That's going to complete the weather brief this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.